back. Oh, magpie. I'm at the farm, as you will see. Oh, 3 magpies. 4 magpies. 1, 2, 3, 4. So that's 5 magpies. That would be a big pie if you put them in some pastry. I'm at the farm. I'm doing bee related things. Oh. I'm drop my table off at the unit, put that back in storage till I need it again, and then I'm going down the bottom to do some looking at that one that was pulling a queen, and a couple of other things, and there's change the wasp trap bait. Well, so that swarm in there is really busy. Look at that. That's a good sign. That's what you want to see. Look, they're washboarding on the outside of there. I'd get closer, but they might stingy wingy me. They're different colours to most of my other bees. These ones are like a whitish stripe and dark. Like, there's not many wasps up here no more. You wasps. Oh, say that one goes for me. Bit of free wood I acquired. We like free wood. What are they doing in there? Oh, we've got a few more in there. Yeah, anyway. The bee unit. Okay, I'm up the deer farm now. This eye's doing pretty good now. Well, now, I'll say now, it was. This one's queen right now. There's a laying queen in there. Finally. So let's have a check on the aggressive little buggers. It's getting a bit late now, so they'll be extra aggressive, I think. You know, it's got to be done. We didn't do it the weekend, and like I do plan on doing something about this eye. I need to get it off the trailer, but then I need to do a real good inspection in there, because I've got a funny feeling there might be a colony in each side, even though there's no partition. I'm not sure, but they seem to have gone this side now, so really they need some of these doors closing up for winter, or coming up to winter, because look, bloody wasps try. Just want one bee space on there, because they've got that entrance and then they've got this door here as well, so we need to have a good look at it. This one's a bit quiet compared to that one. It's a bit strange. It's bigger though. Anyway. Hey Cliff, can't see us. Right, I'm up the 3rd site now. Nearly done. It's nice. The sun's going down now. Let's just see what these bees are doing. Zip up. Zip up in case they're angry. See how many wasps we got then. I'll say we got a good few wasps on that first go, look. Look at that. Oh, I can hear the bees talking. They're still flying, look. So I'll probably, what I've done is I've done a split off of that really aggressive angry hive up the up at the deer farm. You're probably thinking, why did you do a split on them? Well, I did. And we'll try and rear a queen down here, some late queens. We're going for some late queens. We've already got a couple, so yeah, we'll try and cross that aggressive hive with some of these girls down here, so it'll either create a nice colony or a aggressive colony, one or the other.